The Sneezing Cloud. Funny kids animation story high above a sunny park. A fluffy white cloud suddenly sneezes. Ach!
Rain pours down on the playground, sending kids running for cover. The little cloud feels embarrassed and sniffles. Sorry,
It says softly, floating lower. A rainbow appears to comfort it, wrapping colors around the cloud like a blanket. The children peek out, laughing and dancing under the colorful arch. Thank you, Rainbow. They cheer. The cloud giggles through happy tears, sprinkling soft rainbows across the sky. Everyone waves up at their new, friendly weather friend, proving that even rainy days can bring joy.